Hey guys, thought today we'd check out these Swanstrom Carbide flush cutters that I mentioned in the previous Diamond Tools video. These are pretty cool. They're made in the USA, have a very high quality fit and finish. There's a screw for adjusting the tension, a spring return, double dipped handles with a nice grippy texture on them. But their standout feature is they have carbide inserts for the cutting edges. Carbide is a super hard steel, typically used for end mills and metal cutting tools, so it's rare to see it on a pair of flush cutters. The carbide edges are super sharp. Being made from carbide, they should last a long time and not need to be sharpened. I use mine to cut this stainless steel safety wire. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to use these on stainless steel. These were likely intended for some sort of surgical use. But they cut the wire effortlessly, and there's only minimal wear on the cutting edges, despite me having used these for 3 or 4 years now. The one negative to carbide is since it's super hard, it's also super brittle. If you try and cut something too hard, the cutting edge will crack instead of just getting dull. I was able to pick up these cutters on eBay for under 20 bucks because one of the cutting edges had a big chunk chipped out of it near the tip. I just ground the tip down on my bench grinder, which is why mine has a different shaped tip. If you want one of these, they are crazy expensive to buy new. I'll put an Amazon link in the video description, but I'd recommend looking for a used pair on eBay. These get used in the medical industry and get surplused out quite regularly, in excellent condition. Just make sure you're getting the carbide ones. They'll have a C at the end of the part number. Swanstrom has these with a ton of different tip variations, different handle lengths, different grip types, and of course they have non-carbide versions as well. So if you're looking for some well-made electronics pliers, I'd go ahead and check them out. Just make sure you're packing a thick wallet if you're going to be buying them new. You can check out my Diamond Tools lore video if you want to find out how Swanstrom came to be, and check out the other videos on my channel for more unusual tools. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.